Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about lucid dreaming and how you can achieve it in just 4 minutes. Lucid dreaming is the ability to become aware that you are dreaming and control the outcome of your dream. It can be a truly amazing and enlightening experience. Let's dive in and learn how to achieve lucid dreaming in just 4 minutes. To start, let's understand that lucid dreaming is all about increasing your self-awareness. It's a skill that can be learned and improved over time. The first step is to train your brain to recognize that you're dreaming. One effective way to do this is by practicing reality checks throughout the day. For example, you can look at your hand and ask yourself if you're dreaming. If you start doing this regularly, it'll become a habit that will carry over into your dreams. Now, let's do a quick exercise to help you get into the right mindset. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by flowers and tall trees. Take a moment to feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze on your face. Take another deep breath and repeat to yourself, I am in control of my dreams. Another effective way to achieve lucid dreaming is by using a technique called wild or wake-induced lucid dreaming. This technique involves staying awake while your body falls asleep. To do this, you'll need to find a comfortable position and relax your body completely. Focus on your breath and visualize yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. As your body falls asleep, your mind will stay awake, allowing you to enter a lucid dream state. Let's try another exercise to help you achieve this state. Lie down on your bed or a comfortable surface and close your eyes. Start counting down from 100, and with each number, imagine yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Imagine yourself floating on a cloud and let go of all your worries and thoughts. When you reach the number 1, tell yourself that you're going to enter a lucid dream state. Another important factor to consider is the quality of your sleep. Lucid dreaming is more likely to occur during REM sleep, that is rapid eye movement sleep, which is the stage of sleep where you experience the most vivid dreams. To improve the quality of your sleep, make sure to maintain a regular sleep schedule, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Let's do one last exercise to help you get into a deep sleep. Lie down on your back and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine yourself floating on a calm sea. With each breath, imagine the sea becoming calmer and your body becoming more relaxed. Imagine yourself sinking into a deep sleep, ready to enter the world of lucid dreams. And that's it, guys. With these techniques and exercises, you can train your brain to recognize that you're dreaming and enter a lucid dream state in just 4 minutes. Remember, lucid dreaming is a skill that takes practice, but with patience and persistence, you can achieve it. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you gained some valuable insight. Please make sure that you don't forget to comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until then, happy dreaming.